What's up, y'all? I had to go home earlier, so I didn't really go anywhere besides Brook Run, but I am still warmed up from then because I've been ripping the shit out of this parking lot. Local office park, rippage, night spot, breaking the law, breaking the law. There's Chuck. Say what up, Chuck. What up? Chuck FPV on Instagram. What's your YouTube, bro?
I don't fucking remember.
I could probably link it.
There you go.
That shit's work though. You'll owe me one if I do. I'm not good at that computer shit. So anyway, I'll show you guys around. This is the night spot. Actually, there's two spots here, but this is the one we're at tonight because there were teenagers out back smoking weed. Damn.
Hey brother Christian with your high and mighty errand, your action speaks so loud I can't hear a word you're saying. Hey sister bleeding heart with all of your compassion, your labors through the hurt but can't assuage temptation. Science with your perfect rules of measure, can you improve this place with the data that you gather? Hey Mother Mercy, can your lungs bear fruit forever? Is your fecundity a tremble or a treasure? And I wanna conquer the world, give all the idiots a brand new religion, put an end to poverty, uncleanliness and toil, promote equality in all of my decisions with a quick wink of the eye, and God you must be joking.
Okay, so right up there in that tree that you can't really make out, right up there, that's where my drone is. So we're going to get the pole and try and get my drone out of the tree.
Did you see your children cry when you left them at the station? Hey moral soldier, you've got righteous proclamations and precious stones to fuel your pulpy conflagrations. And I wanna conquer the world, give all the idiots a brand new religion, put an end to poverty, uncleanliness and toil, promote equality in all of my decisions. I want to conquer the world, expose the culprits and beat them to the children, do away with their pollution and then I'll save the whales. We'll have peace on earth and global communion. I wanna conquer the world, I want to conquer the world, I wanna conquer the world, I want to conquer the
All right, we're back, and we got the pole, and it's way the freak up there. So, way up there. I'm scared. I asked Chuck, I wonder if my drone feels as bad right now as I do. It sounds pretty pitiful. Dude, it's so fucking far.
Yep.
Okay. How high does that thing even go? 24 feet, it's not that high. When you're looking way up there. It is way, I think it might as well be at the top. It sounds so pitiful. recording a little bit. Oh yeah. I have to say, I think it was at the very top. But I got it back. It's all here. Still recording too, supposedly. The 824 saved the day again. It won't stop recording.
Oh, shit. That sucks.
There it went. I think the battery's almost dead. Anyway, I'm gonna put a set of props on this thing and make sure it'll still fly. But I think I'm ready to go home after all that excitement. How about you, Chuck?
Yeah, I'm good.
Did you get some good ripping in? You forgot your GoPro, right?
Yeah. Got some good ripping, but no footage to prove it.
Dude, take that pole, man. I gotta climb down without dying.